Hello world! It's time for a new episode of oneAPI Dev News. Across the globe, Shenzhen University in China announced its first credited oneAPI class. The course will train students on using oneAPI's cross-architecture programming approach, exploit cutting-edge features of CPUs, GPUs, and other accelerators. It will also optimize code using common programming tools that support familiar languages like DPC++. The goal is to ultimately prepare students to become the next generation of HPC programmers and foster HPC educational advancement in China. Check out the official course by following the link below. Don't miss Intel CERN Open Lab Vodcast with Bob Duffy. In this episode, student Silke Denier navigates us through her project Heterogeneous Computing for Deep Learning, deploying generative models via oneAPI. By testing oneAPI with a generative model called 3D GAN, the aim is to simulate the response of a high-energy physics detector. The main objective is to run simulations across diverse hardware architectures, thus easing portability. This groundbreaking project reveals that oneAPI converges with more accuracy than just a CPU alone. Check out the vodcast to get a glimpse of the project. Finally, Dr. Durga Toshnival, a professor at the Indian Institute of Technology in Roorkee, wanted to find an AI-based solution that would reliably detect social media misinformation. One of the challenges in big data analytics is data collection and pre-processing. As Dr. Durga states, social media generates a huge amount of raw data, which needs to be parsed to extract the relevant features. These features are pre-processed to a form appropriate for AI ML modeling, which requires high computing power. To manage the tremendous amount of data needed for the detection of misinformation on Twitter, the Intel Xeon Gold 6128 3.4 GHz processor with 200 GB of RAM, accessed through the Intel Dev Cloud, used the Intel oneAPI toolkits and proved efficient enough to accelerate and optimize the complex AI operations. Check out the article linked below to read more about the project. Watch the full episode now by following the link in the post, and I'll see you soon.